Hi, Brayden. It's Auntie Lise. Your mom showed me the video of you telling me how much you like it when I read you stories. Well, guess what, buddy? I got one tonight about a digger truck. This is Goodnight, Goodnight construction site. It's past my bedtime. Shh, don't tell your mom. So we have to make it a little bit quick, okay? And this is a good night book, too. Let's see, get you in the right spot. All right, here we go. Good night, construction site. See the owl? He's getting ready for bed. Good night, construction site. Ooh, that's a pretty night sky, huh? Yeah, a nice moon. Okay. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, to make a road, to get the job done, load by load. The sun has set and the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. Look at, what's this one? Do you know what that one is? Ooh, is that a cement mixer? Ooh, what about this big one right here? Oh my gosh, it's so tall. Oh my gosh, what's this one? Is that a crane? And then this one, I know you know what that one is. Yeah, excavator. Bubba. My Bubba cat, he thinks it's time for dinner. It is not time for dinner. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Look at him working. He's working so hard. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. Do you hear that cat? My goodness. He slowly folds his broom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself nice and tight, then cuddles up and says goodnight. Shh, good night, crane truck, good night. Can you tell crane truck good night? Good night. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. See, there's the last of his cement. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, and turns off his light. He cuts his engine, he slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh, good night, cement mixer, good night. You tell the cement mixer good night? Okay, he's all tucked in, got his little blankie. Yeah, he's ready for sleeping. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then he dumps it with a happy face. A smiley face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. There's the last of it. He lowers his bed, he locks his gate, rests his wheels, it's getting late. He dims the lights, then shuts his door, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh, good night, dump truck, good night. Do you see the letter Z getting bigger and bigger? Look it, there's one right there, and a big one right here. It's a good picture. I like that picture. Look at this one. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to the level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Rah! No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy as could be. Oh, he's a tired truck. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh, good night, bulldozer, good night. Whoa. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day, but now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig in soon, he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. Man, he dug lots of holes. What shape is this hole right here? What shape is that one? I think that's a circle. Circle. Yawn! He twirls upon his bumpy track. He pulls up his boom and stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh. Good night, excavator. Good night. These big trucks, so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Construction site, all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now, shh, good night. The end. Good night, Brayden. I love you. Be nice to your little sister, okay? Mwah. Good night.